Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Nasdaq touched a record high, while the S&P 500 gained slightly as technology stocks advanced ahead of Nvidia's highly anticipated earnings, and investors gauged the timing of an interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Bitcoin last closed above $68,000 on April the 11th, despite trading above $60,000 several times in the past 5 days. Even as Bitcoin gained 2% yesterday, another 7% move is needed to meet its all-time high. BTC gained 51% total this year. Zoom Video Communications raised its forecast for full-year profit and revenue, helped by robust demand for its product portfolio as companies continue to adopt hybrid work models.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's Producer Price Index will be released at 6 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the US API Weekly Crude Oil Stock at 20:30 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.